And there you go, a delicious prime rib roast. Mashed potatoes,
veggies coming,
Yorkshire pudding made with the drippings according to the Alton Brown method. So that was 4.5 hours at 250 degrees with a temperature probe to bring the internal temperature of the prime rib up to 120 degrees. And then we rested it for a half an hour, and then we put it in the oven again for about 18 minutes at 550 degrees, and that crisped, seared the outside, so it was an after cooking sear. But yeah, delicious.